Hello everybody, welcome to Insidious Nixies. Well, let's start with this big box, which is the beginning of the workshop. Yes, it's nearly Christmas, guys. We only got a few months, and I've got to get my shelf up. Oh, I've got to get my power system up. I've got to finish my I can never pronounce that. Nixie Healer. Oh, by the way, I just saw one of his N2 clocks sell in Australia for $200. I'm still waiting for mine. It's an N2 binary clock. And it should be here very soon because it's been off the radar for a while. Alright guys, this is a working one. And I want to put the Nixie Healer on top of this. Yes, it's a multimeter. With a difference. It's the one that I was looking for. And at $200, so a little bit out of my price range. This one was $100, but the mail killed me. $86, so it's $186. Very well packed, mate. Very well packed. But then again, oh, the bottom looks excellent. You really only have express and mail at the moment. Alright, stop mucking around. Quickly get this under. This will be on the workbench with the Nixie Healer on top. Oh, no, it's immaculate. Jesus, he's right. It was good, Nick. This is fully functional, fully working, 120 volts. Oh, yeah, you're going to throw your other Nixies off, are you? Yeah. Jesus, that's immaculate. Has it been painted? God, it looks like it's just come out of the showroom. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right. Let's stick this here, that there. It's a Bell & Howell multimeter, a working one. Yes, the other ones were bought, guys, at $60, $50, but that was mostly for the bulbs, and we'll have some fun looking in them later. Alrighty, let's light this sucker up, hey? Yes, I've got the 120 volt converter, 240 to 120. You got the little round Australian. Actually, is that 120, 240? Can I change it? Oh. Makes no difference. I'd only be using it for when I'm using the Nixie Healer. Alrighty, okay. Throw it in. Let's plug it in. That's the converter. Nothing went bang. Alright, let's go. Let's plug the sucker in. Into the converter, my friends. Thank you very much for this, Steve. I told you it would come in handy, mate. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with your clock. Oh, this looks alright. Beautiful. Alright, off, DCM, yeah, point, DC volts, AC, yes, alright, oh, beautiful, mate. I'll straighten that thing up. Let's say that happened in the trip over. Oh, those bulbs are beautiful. Alright, my friends, we've got a working multimeter, and I better get into the workshop and get things happening. But Jesus, the finish on that's brilliant. Alright, just a quickie. Then I've got to get into the mailbag. See ya.